Just left Poplar Stamp Gap, and now the goal is Tray Mountain today, which is pushing it close to 16 miles. So this would be our longest day, one of our longest days. And we're both feeling pretty good, so we'll see how it goes. I see a lot of people struggle through the miles, but we've been smiling so far. And I'm sure that it's gonna get more rough ahead. We just got Trail Magic at Unicoi Gap, and my sister was talking about it was like a fairy tale on Rogue River in Oregon to camp out there. And I said, oh, this trail's like a fairy tale. And he goes, well, it will be your nightmare pretty soon. So we'll see what happens with that. But here we are at Rocky Mountain, and it looks like we got a view up here. So I'll give you a little look-see. And Rocky Mountain. What you think? She is do something kinda crazy. Soaking up the rays. Drive all night with you right next to me. Tray Mountain. Okay, false alarm. We thought that we were at the top of Tray Mountain, but we're not. And the real Tray Mountain. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you've never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go with your hand in my head. I wanna go make pictures look like postcards. I wanna go take the train and watch you sleep right in my arms. I wanna go where we don't know where we are. Climb something high, don't look down and don't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I live like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face with your hand in my head. Go honey, go honey, go. Day 6 on the AT, and we slept at Tray Mountain Shelter last night, and then we woke up pretty early, probably around like 6:30. Started packing our stuff up, which if any of you have any recommendations about how to pack up your stuff in the rain, I'd highly appreciate it. It was a disaster, but we're good. I got everything on my back, and we're heading into Hiawassee today. Leroy, who I met on Instagram, is gonna pick us up at Dick's Creek and then drive us to the Budget Inn. Oh man, this is really something. You don't see this every day, I'll tell you that. You really don't. Happy Easter from Hiawassee Dominos. It's gonna be a great Easter feast today, ain't it? Hell yeah. We just left the Budget Inn. We're getting pizza, and then we're gonna try to hitch back to Dick's Creek. Hopefully we get some luck, and then we're back on trail, baby. So we're from Massachusetts, and Domino's, like a pizza like this would probably be like 13, 14 bucks. This was $6.41. Heck yeah. Alrighty, it is about noontime and we just got a hitch from a guy named Dan from North Carolina. Thank you. I know you'll probably never see this, so I don't know why I just said that, but we ate some Dominos. That was our little Easter feast, and now we're back on trail. We're gonna shoot for Muskrat Shelter. It's 11.7 miles away, just because we just started hiking and it's the afternoon, so we don't want to push ourselves too much and not make it to our destination. We got a water source about a mile ahead, so we're gonna fill up and then we're just gonna keep on trucking along. We just hiked down a hill to get to this water source, and now we're gonna have to hike back up it, but at least it's a reliable source. Lots of fallen trees over here. We are probably a little over 5 miles away from the North Carolina border, and then we'll be crossing our first state line, which is super exciting. Big milestone. And we're either gonna cross over and then camp at Muskrat Creek, or we're gonna camp somewhere right before the border. We are 3 miles away from the border right now, and we're gonna camp at a stealth site that we heard about from one of the hikers that we passed by today, and then we're gonna cross over the border tomorrow.